What's up guys, welcome to another video from Beyond Reviews. It's me, Blake. What do we have with us right now is the spidercrab by iFootage. They've sent us the MA34. It weighs around 380 grams and it can carry a payload of 6 kilos. Can you believe that? It's about 7 inches and it's made out of aluminum alloy and stainless steel. The MA56 weighs 440 grams and it can carry about a payload of 6 kilos as well, and it's about 11 inches long. The support rod SA32 weighs about 660 grams and its telescopic range is about 52.8 to 81.3 centimeters. The grab clamp attaches to models MA34 and MA56 spider crabs and provides an adaptable rock-solid jaw support for your equipment. This is so nice. And one of our favorite things about the spider crab is its cold shoe quick release. Look at this. It's so fast and reliable quick release system. Attaches to the majority of accessories and equipment. Creative convenience at your fingertips. Absolutely amazing. Take a look at the quality, take a look at the build. We highly recommend the spidercrab iFootage system. It is so easy to use. You can transfer your camera via the cold shoe quick release from one equipment to the next using this cold shoe quick release clamp. And the grab clamp can clamp on anything, so be careful not to clamp it on any body part. We'll be raffling off an MA34 to the community, so make sure you know what you gotta do. Like, share, and subscribe. You must be a subscriber and live in the Philippines. To join our raffle, here are the mechanics. Number 1, be a subscriber. Number 2, live in the Philippines, because you will come to our office and I will hand it to you personally. Number 3, please like and share this video and make sure to leave a comment as well with hashtag Beyond Reviews TV, hashtag Beyond Reviews PH, and make sure to hashtag iFootage spidercrab. Good luck to you and have a blessed day.